Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change email on Soundtrap. Changing the email address associated with your Soundtrap account is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. The first thing to do is to open your browser and go to soundtrap.com. Then log into your Soundtrap account using your current email, Google, or Apple credentials. Once logged in, look at the left navigation panel on the home page and click on your profile name at the top left corner and click on the three dots menu, which will open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Now, in the Settings menu, you will find the email section, all right, which we have here. So click on the email option next to your email address. So you see that is actually not working. It cannot be changed. So for some, if you click on this email, you see that it can be changed, but it cannot be changed. And I like to say it's probably because I logged in using my Google credentials, but I did not log in using email. But then if you log in using email, the option to change your email could be here. All right. But if it's not there, you should just know that Soundtrap may not currently allow you to change your email directly through the settings menu. So if you're prompted to enter a new email address, so just type in with the new email you want to associate with your Soundtrap account. That's if it is available. Okay, but if it is available, you may be asked to verify the new email address by entering the verification code sent to your new email inbox. So check your email inbox for verification email from Soundtrap and enter the verification code in the appropriate field on the Soundtrap settings page. And after successfully entering the verification code, click Save or Update Email to finalize the email change. The system will update your account with the new email address. Once you have updated your email, log out of Soundtrap and log back in using your new email address and ensure that your account information reflects the new email address. But if you don't have the option, you can just go ahead and click on the support at the bottom right corner of the screen. Get in touch with the support desk and let them know that you want to change the email, and they will help you to change the email. Just type in your question here, ask them, or let them know that you want to change your email but you're finding it difficult. So make sure that the new email address is correct and that you have access to it, since Soundtrap will send you verification email to confirm the change. And if you're unable to change your email through the settings page, so you may need to contact Soundtrap's customer support for assistance, which is here. So by following the steps, you can easily change the email address associated with your Soundtrap account. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.